So last video, we were doing some input statements and we were getting the user to type in some text, their name, their star sign, and then using that text again. We're just going to take it a little bit further and we're going to do something with numbers now. Now, there is a little bit of a problem. So I've started here. You can see I'm asking the user for their first number, second number. We're going to add them together and print the output once we've calculated it in this third variable called total. So let's just run that, and there's a problem. So my first number is 2, my second number is 3, and 2 plus 3 equals 23. So what's going on? It's that when we do an input statement, we get text. So although what I typed in looked like the number 2 here, is actually the text character 2, not the numerical value 2. And so the same with the second number, when I add these together, it actually kind of sticks them together like you would with text. So you say, put an A, put a B, text characters, and you get AB. So 2, 3, 2, 3. So we actually need to turn these into numbers, and there's a function, the int function, which is short for integer. So an integer is just a whole number. So I'm going to wrap this input statement inside an int. I put int and close it like that. So you can see the opening bracket and the closing bracket of the int statement makes it contain the input. So it's going to take whatever the user types in here, convert it into an integer number, and that's what gets stored in num1. Same for num2. So now these values are stored as numbers. So when it does the add operator, it's going to do what we'd think it would do. So let's test that. So my first number 2, my second number 3, 2 plus 3 equals 5. Nice.